So another feature is box sizing border box. What is this? I'm going to paste the same content here. It is very easy. If you know that, this will be very easy. I'm making as a 2, 1, 1. All slides I'm going to write separately. All selectors I'm going to write separately. Actually, we should not write the separate. I'm going to keep container 1 only, because the internal styles should change its behavior. Copy this, Control V, 1, 1, 1, and the 1. Okay, I'm removing all the paddings and the margins and everything. 450, 350. Up to here, you are okay. Box size and border box, everything is okay. First, as a first cut, I would like to give margin. So this is out of the box. It is not going to considered by the box sizing border box. So margin I'm giving. Margin 25 px, MERGIN. So the same value to be subtracted. 400 and 300. Here it is okay. Now I'm going to apply the border and the padding. Border 5px, solid green. Now see this automatically went down. I'm going to apply the padding also here. Padding 20px. That's it. Because automatically increase its size. So what you need to do in the previous, as per the previous inputs, I need to subtract 20 pixels, 20 pixels, 40 and 5, 5, 10. Total 50 to be subtracted. Now I don't want to subtract anything. Simply I'm going to write box sizing border box. You are giving the contract to somebody. Okay. If you are giving the in your house something any event is going on, you are giving the contract to somebody. You are going to share the amount how you want. That is your burden. Okay. You need to handle this from this amount only. I'm not giving the single rupee extra. Okay. Yes, you are giving the 10 rupees extra in the sense you need to subtract yourself. That is not my problem. See this. Padding I want to add more. 30 I want to. Anything change I'm going to anything width and anything I'm going to change? No. Padding added. But the value is subtracted automatically. See this. 350 is coming exactly. Okay, 20. Control S. Coming here. I want to add more. What is this? Padding is 30 for the left and right. Left and right. Left and right. Last one, left one, right one. Border I want to increase. border is 5 pixels. Instead of the 5 pixels, I'm going to make 10 px. Almost 10 pixels. It's subtracting itself. You are not doing anything. So what property you ignored? Margin only. Margin to be subtracted from the available space. Border handling and the padding handling handled by the property that is box sizing border box. Is the box sizing border box. If you know this, you can easily handle anything. Okay. When you come to the flex and all these things, some more flexibility will be there. Okay. So what I will do is I will give you one layout. I will post in the group and try to do this with the CSS. Okay. That's it.